Right, we put it right in.
Yeah.
That was so funny.
It's like, well, if you allow us... Oh, somebody just stacked it. Shit.
Everyone alright? You alright, darling? It's alright.
It's alright, we missed.
It's alright, darling. We missed. It's alright. Come on, darling. It's
We're
alright.
okay, we are okay.
We're fine.
What happened?
It's alright, darling.
What happened?
It was an accident.
Right, when you're ready down. Can you wave them back so I can reverse out and I'll go and get on the hard shoulder?
Alright then.
Alright. We've got to stop. Because there's been an accident, big one.
Did we get?
No.
Come on, let me cross.
Hold on.
Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah. Right, I want you to stay in the car,
Right,
girls.
you girls stay in the car.
Alright.
I've got to give details.
Yep. I know.
Right, you two sit tight.
Alright.